Hello, welcome. I bought this product the other day and I wanted to share with you the results when I chucked it on my head. I bought it to cover my grey hairs and I had like reddy kind of coloured hair prior to this. I've been bright red for a wee bit and then it was fading and then I went a bit like coppery and then I wanted to go a bit darker but also have a bit more red to it. I saw this colour and it was called Chocolate Rush and I loved the look on her and I just thought, well, that's a nice safe shade to kind of like keep my hair like a medium tone, not go too dark, and keep it more on the warmer side. And clearly it's gone very dark compared to what I would have thought, even looking at the gauge on the back. It is, I don't know, it's not, I just don't think it's close, but luckily for me, I really like how it turned out, but I really just wanted to show you guys this color going on my hair, but also I dyed my hair extensions, which were blonde. So it is not just my hair and where it started that went this color. These are my extensions and they are the same shade as my hair now and they were blonde first. So I'm just trying to point out that this color here clearly doesn't go the color you think, but I really do like the shade. So if you want this kind of color, and like I said, this is the blonde shade going up the top, so it's all very much of a muchness, then yeah, buy this box, but I'll show you what I did. Okay, so this was the starting shade. This is just faded from the red hair colour that I had. My ends are very damaged, but you can see the roots are much shinier and no breakage. So I'm just trying to grow it out by not bleaching it. Still dyeing it, but not bleaching it. So no real technique here. That's why I've sped it up on super speed. I'm not the person to follow when it comes to learning how to do this, but I'm just sectioning out the front of my hair, focusing first around like all the root area but around the face as well, and then I kind of just pull it through the mid to like the lengths of my hair. It's very damaged, so the lengths, like the ends of my hair, don't take as long to process. And then this is the final kind of pictures or shots that I took straight after doing my hair in different lighting. So you can see this is daytime lighting versus the next clip to end off the video, which is nighttime studio. I hope you found that helpful. As I said, it was more just wanting to show you guys what this did to my hair and also my hair extensions. So hopefully that gives you some insights. Again, if you like this color, this is the box you have to buy, but is not the box you would go for if you thought about going this color, if you know what I mean. So just wanted to share my results and I hope it was helpful. And yeah, it's my story. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.